Hey internet family, Hire on Fire here. I am outside of Quaker Steak and Lube in North Canton, Ohio, getting ready to head inside to take on the Eat Heat Wing Challenge. Eat Heat, I'll post some details, but it's basically some wings that are rated around 500,000 Scoville. I believe you have to eat 5 in 5 minutes. So let's go see if we can do this. Okay guys, we're inside, we just got the wings. We have the Eat Heat, the new version. They no longer have triple atomic. Apparently these are not as hot, and looking at the menu, they're made with Trinidad scorpion. So I got 5 of them here. The challenge used to be 5 wings in 5 minutes. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna try to make that happen here. We're good, let's go. Okay, 5 minutes. Sweet, much better flavor than the triple atomic. I'm typically a slow eater, so we'll see how I do. Yeah, they're hot, but they're not. Nothing unbearable. Three down. What's that? 3 minutes? These are actually a really good flavor. I do like these. Heat's building a little bit. Starting to burn on my lips. Nothing on the tongue or the throat though. Last wing. Cleaning the bones there. What did we do? 3 minutes?
2 minutes.
So 2 minutes left? Okay, so
3 minutes.
How are you guys? So wrapping up my lunch here with my good buddy Matt. Good to see him, it's been a while. But wanted to give a quick follow-up on the wings. That heat definitely built up, and after I ended the clip of me eating them, I wanted to quickly get those first 5 done. As I said, the challenge was 5 bones in 5 minutes. I did in about 3 minutes, which was pretty exciting, so I'm normally not a quick eater. But then I abruptly ended the video, and I want to come back and say the heat built up. And I really had lip burn, didn't really have throat or tongue burn. Gut's fine, no issues there or anything, but definitely got some lip burn. Really good flavor. I would probably say 2 or a 3. I mean, it definitely built up there. So I was excited by that, pleasantly surprised. And then I had a little bit of other food, some fries and whatnot. So I used the leftover sauce with my fries. Delicious. Way better. If you've done the atomic or the triple atomic, which I've done these before in the past, much better flavor than what the triple atomic was. I'm told this is not as hot as what the triple atomic is, based on customer feedback and people not ordering it or not able to eat it or whatever. But either way, challenge, 5 wings, 5 minutes, and you get a t-shirt. And I opted, they had a sale today, so I just bought the wings on sale. I didn't care about the t-shirt, so I did not walk away with the t-shirt, even though I did, as you saw, eat the wings in less than 5 minutes. Friends, as always, make it a burning day. Oh, and hey, do you like Quaker steak? Have you been here? There's a chain of them. A lot of them are in Ohio, Pennsylvania. They're starting to get scattered around. What's your favorite sauce? I know I do enjoy the Arizona Ranch, Louisiana Liquors. Those are definitely 2 of my favorites. Their hot parm is also good. But hit me up in the comments. What other wing places do you know that have some challenges? I love wings, so definitely down to do the challenges. Make it a burning day, everyone.